We are facing unprecedented times. Biodiversity loss, climate change, desertification, among many other threats to our planet's resources. These are symptoms of our unbalanced relationship with nature. It is crucial to change this before it is too late and find the right balance between biodiversity, natural capital, economic growth, and human consumption patterns, while strongly investing in research and development and green technologies, and at the same time promoting a transition to a circular and low-carbon economy. By establishing a universal agenda, the post-2020 Global Biodiversity Framework, to be adopted in Kunming, represents a unique opportunity the world cannot afford to miss. As a biodiversity-rich country, Portugal is fully engaged in achieving an ambitious and robust post-2020 Global Biodiversity Framework. The second United Nations Ocean Conference that will take place in Lisbon in June next year, 2022, will be the ultimate moment of a series of high-level events where we'll be addressing paramount issues related to the effects of increasing pressures on the marine environment. Commitment through international cooperation and multilateralism is needed to make nature part of the path for recovery and well-being of our people and the planet, and to consider a stable climate as world heritage that needs to be valued and protected. Therefore, I would like to take this opportunity to call on all countries to come to Lisbon in June next year in order to find concrete solutions to ocean's problems and its fundamental contribution to climate balance. Be welcome to Lisbon. Don't forget, June next year.